Good morning guys, today we've got your HUAWEI Mate 70 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery, then switch to contacts, choose the contact that you want to personalize, tap on edit, so this is the edit icon, and now mark photo. As you can see, you can either take a picture if someone is sitting right in front of you, it's just a perfect option, but if you have something in your gallery, just mark choose from gallery, and now mark the photo that you want to add. Choose for example this one, tap on confirmation mark. Now you need to customize it however you like, then click on confirmation mark again, save it the same way, and that's it. As you can see, from now on it is assigned to this contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.